Hello everyone, this is Nicole once again from Bouquets by Nicole. Yes, today I don't have a kit for you guys, but I'm going to show you how to make a wrist corsage. This was a request from one of my customers. She wanted to know how to make her corsages, so I decided to show you guys how I'm going to make this corsage. This corsage is a part of a collection I'm doing. This is one of the bridesmaids bouquets. I just want you to see the colors that that they're using for the wedding. Isn't this a gorgeous bouquet? I love it. Look at the hearts on there. I just thought that added such a nice touch. So it's just basically our deluxe satin roses and some small brooches, some bling, and that's it. So this is one of the bridesmaids bouquets, and I have a completed corsage. This is the corsage that I'm going to show you guys today. We're using a chiffon rose, a Real Touch light pink rose. We have our 1-inch satin ribbon. This is usually the size that I use to cover the bouquet holders. We're going to use this ribbon here. And alright guys, so I'm back. So the first thing you want to do is cut your ribbon. Let's put our roses and stuff there. Is cut your ribbon maybe like about 4 or 5 inches long. Okay, and then so what you want to do is just take your ribbon and we're going to make our loops, okay? So you just fold it over. I usually just fold it in half. The reason why I fold it in half is because I really want like a big loop in there so that it'll create that loop, see, like that. So that's why I use the half and not, shorter. So you make 3 of these, or 4, however many you would like. Right? So we're going to make our 3 here. Just use a little bit of glue. That, right? And then you want to take the ribbon. Is this in your way? Just put it here. Okay. Then you want to take your ribbon and just make, that little, the pretty, like that. Okay. And then I usually just hold it down with my fingers and then just apply some glue. Glue that down. Glue this like that, right? So that's like our little fan. And then okay, so what you do is you're going to take your felt and just cover the bottom, make it look nice. Just going to cover our bottom, right? And I want the ribbon to be on the left side of my wrist, so I'm going to make sure I put my rhinestone bracelet on correctly. So I want it like this. Now if I put it on this way, then the ribbon is going to be facing me this way. But because I want the ribbon to be that way, I have to make sure I put the bracelet in like that. So then you just take some glue and put some glue on the sides. You can put the glue all over if you want, but I'm putting the glue on the sides because I don't want the glue to get on the bracelet, just in case they want to remove the bracelet later. And then just take the other felt and put it on top like that. And the bracelet is in the middle. And just hold the sides down, let them dry. And that's it. How easy was that? Okay, so that's our corsage, guys. Yes. Okay, I don't want to put that one on my wrist because the glue is not totally dry yet. But this is the corsage. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I promise I'm going to have a few more videos come out soon. I know I always say that, but it's just been so busy. But it's a good thing. So until we meet again, God bless you and keep you. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye-bye.